What's up guys, it's Tom here from Crypto Life Inc. and Team Generous, back at you with another video. Today I'm going to look at Rex and how to actually get your Rex tokens and stake your CPU and net resources. Tune in for that guys. Alrighty guys, here we go. So I'm on the EOS Authority Rex site. EOS Titan also does have one. And what you want to do first is you want to add your account. So just add your account here. You can use Scatter, you can use your mobile, you can use the hardware wallet, whatever you please guys. So it's good to see that Rex is launched and we've got some tools available ready to use it. If you guys aren't familiar with what Rex is, refer to this article. I'll leave it in the description. It's by EOS New York. And basically it's a resource exchange for CPU and net on the EOS blockchain. So I'm not going to explain any of that stuff. You guys can research that in your own time. But basically what happens is you sell your EOS into Rex, and then when you get Rex tokens for every, we'll figure out what it is later, but you get Rex tokens, and then for these Rex tokens you can sell them off later after initial wait period of 4 days. Let's just confirm, is it 4 days? Yeah, after 4 days your Rex becomes liquid, and then you can sell that off for profit depending on the price of Rex. Now the Rex pool only goes up in price, so that's how they've ensured that if you stake or if you sell 100 EOS and loan that off to Rex, so people can use your EOS, then whatever you get in Rex is going to be more than 100 EOS worth after those 4 days, and it will just keep growing. So the longer you hold it, the more it grows. That's how the pool works. If you guys want to look at it more technically, again, read that ultimate guide that explains how it works. But I'm just going to show you guys how to actually go through the process. So again, get your account. If you don't have your account, nothing's going to work. So I've got 12 EOS here, and I'm also going to tell you guys how much Rex you get for each EOS, so that's good. So deposit EOS into Rex fund, withdraw EOS from Rex fund. So we're depositing, so just go 1 EOS, and how much Rex we gonna get? How much Rex we gonna get, mate? Oh, they don't tell you. So I'm gonna have to do it to find out. I haven't done it on this one. I did it on the EOS Titan one before, so this is a new experience for me. So book, okay, I don't need to get a loan. So let's just do that. All right, we're back. I finally got it to work, and basically, yep, it's gonna find my Scatter account. I'm gonna approve it, transaction success. So I've staked 1 EOS just in case we missed that out. So I can close this off now. So I bought 1 EOS worth of Rex, right? And there's just a graph telling you how much people are paying for EOS loans. And if you guys actually want to book CPU, basically if you want to get a loan for CPU or net, book a new CPU, okay, whatever term you want to use, this is how you do it. So you just go in here, you want CPU, you want net, you type in your account, Crypto Life, whatever, and then you put in the amount that you want. So say you want 100 EOS, that's what you want. You want to get 100 EOS, so you need that much Rex to get 100 EOS worth. So that's how that works. So now I want to see how much Rex I got. So I've just purchased that 1 EOS worth. So now they need to tell me how much Rex I have. Alright guys, so for some reason I can't find how much it's worth, but it does take a couple of days to actually get your Rex to be liquid. So again, that's 4 days. And I figured out that 1 EOS is worth roughly 1,000 Rex. So that gives you a good understanding of how much you're going to get there. So when you sell it, you can figure out the pricing. They usually give you an estimate here anyway. But another important thing to note is that you can actually sell your CPU, your existing CPU and net into Rex straight away. So you don't have to unstake and wait 3 days. You can just do that straight away. So that will clear up that issue for you guys. So again, for more information, go and check out this article. It tells you literally everything you need to know, even has a how-to as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. Happy Rexing. If you guys do find out where the balance is when you just buy it and you don't get issued the tokens yet, do let me know in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.